The refraction panel in eye care plays a crucial role in providing accurate vision assessments, diagnosing refractive errors like myopia, hyperopia, and prescribing customized corrective lenses. It improves patient comfort and visual clarity through tailored prescriptions while also streamlining clinical workflows and reducing errors. Additionally, the panel allows ongoing monitoring of vision changes, ensuring consistent and effective eye care management. To access the refraction panel, use the shortcut on the home page or navigate to the clinical module and select Special Clinics. In the new window, the system displays all medical clinics available. Select the refraction panel as shown. First, ensure that you are signed into the refraction room to view patients queued for refraction. The mini queue displays patient's ticket number, OPD number, patient names, their source location, where the patient came from, and the time spent waiting on the queue. It's important to note that the fields are customizable and can be configured to capture the specific data you require. Selecting a patient from the queue is straightforward. Click on the patient's name once, and the system will display their demographic information in the Patient Details section. The data recorded during the visual acuity and eye examination will be visible in the Patient Summary card for reference. Once you've selected the patient, fill in the refraction details as required. To create an optical prescription, click on the Actions button and choose Optical Prescription. In the next window, the system displays the refraction panel, prescription panel, and billing panel. Under Subjective Refraction, select the sphere values for both the right and left eye, representing the degree of nearsightedness or farsightedness. Select the cylinder option to measure the degree of astigmatism, as this enables accurate assessment of the corneal curvature irregularities responsible for distorted vision. Next, choose the axis ranging from 0 to 180 degrees to set the correct orientation for astigmatism correction, ensuring precise lens alignment for improved visual clarity. Use the Add option to input any additional lens power required for near vision. Finally, choose the visual clarity measurement, which helps determine the sharpness of vision and guides lens prescription. To verify the prescription, move to the Trial Frame Findings section. Here, select sphere values for both eyes, and then choose the cylinder option to record the degree of astigmatism. This step is vital for ensuring the correct lens curvature to address visual distortions. Choose the axis to align astigmatism correction accurately. Use the Add option for any near vision corrections. And finally, measure the visual clarity again to confirm the sharpness of the patient's vision. After entering remarks and the name of the refractionist, click Add to save the details. To finalize the optical prescription, click on the Prescription panel. In the displayed window, select the type of prescription from the drop-down list, input the doctor's or clinician's name, and enter any remarks. Click the plus button to save the prescription. Next, proceed to Billing. Click on Billing to open the billing window, and from the drop-down menu, select the item. If needed, you can change the billing scheme by selecting Customer Scheme and making the appropriate selection. To modify the billing price, check the Change Unit Price box and enter the new price. Please enter the quantity in the designated field and click the plus button to save it. If a discount is applicable, enter the discounted amount along with any comments and then save your changes. Once complete, the refractionist directs the patient to the cashier's office for payment.